Everyone, hi, it's Nada here and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how I fixed stretch out cuff of my hat with using elastic thread and with using a tapestry needle. I am absolutely in love with hat, but it's cuff, not elastic, and it will actually stretch out over time. So I'm going to take my elastic thread and my tapestry needle and I'm going to measure out how much I need. Okay, and I'm going to count. One time, two, and three times, and I'm gonna cut, the piece that I need. Okay, I'm going to start my work from the front side, since that is my cuff of hat. I'm going to pick a starting place. And now I'm going to insert my tapestry needle to the first front knit stitch through the front loop, like this. Okay, and I'm going to continue to collect the front loops of each my front stitches. Okay. Nothing is visible here. So I pick my stitches closer to the edge. And I'm going to continue to the end of round. So I have collected the last knit stitches and now I insert my tapestry needle to the first stitch of the round and I'm going to create the knot. But first I want to stretch the cuff of my hat. And then I create the knot. Okay. Two times. And three times. Okay. Then I will repeat the same thing 2 times every 5 stitches in hat. You can make it with 2 threads, for example, and so make it only once. I want that my work to be so fair, so I will make it with 1 thread and 3 times. So I'm going to measure out I repeat the same thing, and I'm going to pick up a starting place. It's here. And I'm going to collect an around. That's how my cuff of hat will be fixed. Okay. And I'm going to continue and make 2 rounds just to the height of my cuff. Okay, that's how it to be done. And now with the crochet hook I hide the tails. Okay, and back. Okay, and cut that end off. So good. I'm finished, and now it holds its shape very well. The elastic thread can always be replaced by carefully removing the worn out. Okay, that's all, and I hope that my video was helpful for you, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon and happy knitting! Bye bye!